Racing just is started. We have Boyo break weekly at a start. Perfect pass. Jonas Recipe Sharp. Cookie in the middle portion is Spanish Drums. Then comes Pocket. Rocket. Then next on that is Dragon May. Then followed over by JST. Teritun Bagong Barrio comes next. While Simple Beauty is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Jonas Recipe. Now takes command by our length anyhow. Perfect pass. Moving up now on the outside is Spanish Drums down in port now. Moving up is Boyo. Then next on line is Sharp Cookie. Dragon May. Moving up on the outside. Bagong Barrio is down on the inside. Then next on line now is Pocket Rocket. Simple Beauty JST while Teritun now racing in less than a far turn. We have Jonas Recipe by our length any hop, and in second is Spanish Drums, and in third now is Boyo, then followed by Perfect Pass. Dragon May now moving up on the outside to take fourth. Bagong Barrio is down in sixth, then comes Sharp Cookie JST, and as they swing for home we have Jonas Recipe, this time by about 3 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Boyo. In the middle portion is Spanish Drums, Dragon Bay. Last 100 meters, we have Jonas Recipe, this time by about 6 lengths over Boyo. And finally Jonas Recipe. Boyo, then comes Spanish Drums, Bagong Barrio close with Dragon May. Then comes number 8, Simple Beauty.
7-6-11, 2